Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed about Cartesian product of two sets and we solved some questions based on sets. Okay. Now we take some questions based on Cartesian product of two sets. Okay. Let take a question. If the Cartesian product of two sets A cross B given as A1 B3 A3 B1 A2 and B2. Okay, find A and B separately. Okay, find the set A and B separately. Okay, now let's solve it. We know that the Cartesian product of two sets is the sets of all ordered pair A B in such a way all A belongs A and all B belongs B. Na? This is the Cartesian product of two sets is the sets of all ordered pair A B in such a way each A belong A and B belong B. So here A is the set of A is the set of all first component all first components in ordered pairs in A cross B, and B is the set of all second components all second component all second components in ordered pairs in A cross B. Since we have the set A is a A and B. Okay, set of all first component of in ordered pairs A cross B, that is AB, and the set B is equal to set of all second components in order pair A cross B. So the value of set B is 1, 2 and 3. This is your answer. Okay, so in this way we solve that type of questions. Okay, now dear student, you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on these concepts. Okay, now we take some other topic. Okay, now your new topic is some useful results and its proof. Some useful results and its proof. Okay, this is the new topic of relations. In this section we intend to study some results on Cartesian product of sets which are given as theorem. Let a theorem. for any three sets, for any three sets A, B and C, prove that first A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C, and second one, prove that second result is A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C, A cross C. Okay, this is the very important results. Okay, now as a theorem, for any three sets A, B and C, prove that first A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C, and second one, A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay, now take first result and prove it. Okay, now we have to prove it. Prove first result, which is A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. Okay, for that, first of all, let an ordered pair AB be an arbitrary element of A cross B union C. Okay, that is, it means that the ordered pair AB belongs A cross B union C. Okay, so by the definition of ordered pair, all first A belong A and B belong B union C. Okay, now by the definition of union, we have A belongs in A and here B belong in B, that is or B belong in C. Okay, now we can write here A belong A and B belong B in one bracket, or A belong A and B belong in C. Okay, now here we have the ordered pair AB belongs A cross B na, or here we can write the ordered pair A B belongs A cross C. Now the definition of union, we can write the ordered pair AB belongs A cross B union A cross C. So we can say that first of all we assume that A B belong A cross B union C na, and now we have to show that the ordered pair AB belongs A cross B union A cross C. So we can say that A cross B union A cross C is a subset of, this is a symbol of subset, is a subset of you write in this way, because in start we find we let A B belongs A cross B union C na. So we can, since we have A cross B union C is a subset of A cross B union A cross C, let equation number 1. Okay, let equation number 1. Now again we let an ordered pair XY belongs A cross B union A cross C. Okay, now we let an ordered pair XY belong A cross B union A cross C. Okay, now by the definition of ordered pair we write XY belongs A cross B, or union means or, the ordered pair XY belong A cross C. Okay, A cross C. Now here we can write X belong A, X belong A and Y belong B, and Y belong B. Okay, or here we can write X belong A and Y belongs in C. We can write na. This implies we can write X belong A, here also X belong A, so we can write X belong A, X belong A and Y belong B, or Y belong C, or Y belong C. Now by the definition of union we have X belong A and Y belong B union C. We write na B union C. So we have the ordered pair XY belong A cross Cartesian product of A and B union C. B union C. Now we can say that A cross B union A cross C is also the subset of A cross B union C. Take equation number 2. From equation 1 we have to show that A cross Cartesian product of A and B union C, Cartesian product of A and B union C is a subset of A cross B union A cross C. Here we have to show that A cross B union A cross C is also the subset of A cross B union C. Okay, now or thus from equation 1 and 2 we have, thus from equation 1 and 2 we have A cross B union C, A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. Okay, A cross C. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. In this way, we have to prove that type of questions. Okay, this is very important questions. So please see one more time. Okay, first of all, we have to show that A cross B union C is the subset of A cross B union A cross C, and second, we have to show that A cross B union C, A cross B union A cross C is the subset of A cross B union C. And finally, from the help of equation 1 and 2, we have to prove that A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. Okay, in this way we prove that type of questions. Now we have to prove that second result. Take second result, which is A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay. Now for that, similarly let AB be an arbitrary element of A cross B intersection C. That is, it means that an ordered pair AB belongs A cross B intersection C. Now by the definition of Cartesian product of two sets, we have A belongs A and B belongs B intersection C. Now by the definition of intersection, we have A belongs in A and here B belongs in B, and we use and now by the definition of intersection, and B belong in C. Okay, now we have A belongs in A and B belongs in B, and A belongs in A and B belongs in C. So here we find that we have the ordered pair AB belongs A cross B, and here the ordered pair AB belongs A cross C, right now, and here and means intersection. So we have ordered pair AB belongs A cross B intersection na, and means intersection A cross C. Since we have A cross B intersection C, A cross B intersection C is a subset of A cross B intersection A cross C. Now take equation 1. Okay. Now again we let x, y be an arbitrary element of A cross B intersection A cross C. That is, it means that xy belongs A cross B intersection A cross C, na? So by the definition of intersection we have xy belong A cross B and xy belong A cross C. Now by the definition of ordered pair we have x belong in A and y belong in B. Okay, and here we have, by the definition of Cartesian product of two sets, x belong in A and y belong in C. Okay, now we have x is common in A, so we write x belong in A and y belong in B and y belong in C. Y belong in C, na? So in this way we have, by the definition of intersection we have y belongs in both B and C, that is we use intersection. Okay, now by the definition of Cartesian product we have xy belongs A cross B intersection C, na? Since we can say that A cross B intersection A cross C is a subset of A cross B union C. A cross B union B intersection C. Take equation number 2. Okay, in first condition we have to show that A cross B intersection C is a subset of A cross B and A cross C, and here we have to show that A cross B intersection A cross C is also the subset of A cross B intersection C. So from equation 1 and 2, we get A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Hence proved this result. Okay, so dear students, in this way we have to show that A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay, yes. Now you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on these concepts. Okay, yes. Now take a small questions like as theorem. If suppose A is a subset of B, okay, show that A cross A is also the subset of A cross B intersection B cross A. Okay, now let's it prove. First of all, we take AB is an ordered pairs belongs A cross A. Okay, so by the definition of Cartesian product, we have A belongs A and B belongs A. We write na, and we now we can write A belong A, B belong A. Okay, and A belong and A belong A and comma B belong A. Since because of A is a subset of B, since A B belongs A, this implies A B belongs B. Okay, so in this way we write A B belong A and A B belong B. Now here we write B na. Okay, now we can write A belong A comma B belong B. Because of A is a subset of B, so also we write in this way, and A belong B. Here we write A belong B and B belong A. Okay, now we have here Cartesian product AB belongs A cross B. Okay, and here we can also write an ordered pair AB belongs B cross A. Now by the definition of intersection, we have AB belongs A cross B intersection B cross A. Since A we have A cross A is a subset of A cross B intersection B cross A. Hence A is a subset of B. This implies that A cross A is a subset of A cross B intersection B cross A. Okay, now in this way we proved all the results using some property of the union, some property of the intersection, and some property of the Cartesian products. Okay, so dear students, you can prove all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on Cartesian products. Okay, based on Cartesian product. And please write this question, and this is your homework to prove. Every students prove it. Okay, to prove first A union B cross C is equal to A cross C union B cross C. Okay, and second one A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. Okay, so dear student, you prove these results as its homework. Okay, now in next class we discuss about next topic. Okay, thank you.